Oh, did I send this to you?
I think so.
Oh, okay. So you.
This is the last one.
Let me tell you something, you guys. You got it all wrong. All these years you had 7-Eleven wrong. You entered the store, you thought you knew what you needed to know. You grabbed what you needed to grab, but you had it wrong all along. Even you will.
Definitely.
And what you got wrong has to do with the 7-Eleven logo. Now, I don't know if you read this article or not. Did you, Will?
No.
Okay, perfect.
I was reading 2013 articles.
Okay, apparently. Yeah, you were doing deep dive research on what's hitting the store shelves in 2013 in Walmart.
Yeah, I'm on it.
And people need to be prepared for when they travel back in time. Oh. All right, so this image you're looking at is the front of a 7-Eleven in where? Where is that? Is that, what are those characters back there? What is this?
This looks like Korea.
That looks like Korea, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that's a 7-Eleven in Korea. But the logo, you may not really look at it. Now, what I want you to do is stare at that logo and tell me what you never noticed about it and why you've had it all wrong from the beginning.
Okay. Well, I just want to say I'm not too sure if it's Korean. It might have been.
Well,
but these characters are Chinese.
Well, that's why you said it and I didn't.
Okay. I feel like those... okay. Anyways. I'm just...
Oh, you're dead. You're dead, dude, and I love it. You're dead and I'm not.
What's different?
No. What have you never noticed about this logo? What have you never noticed what it is? What's going on? What have you never noticed about this logo?
Well, I know that this logo has always stuck with me. The 7...
It's a good logo.
Number and
no, don't get me wrong. It's a good logo.
The border is different, I would say.
I mean, now that we're examining it, it kind of looks like a cup, maybe?
It does look like a cup, like a Slurpee cup.
It kind of looks like a cup. It could be a coffee cup as well. But what is there that you've never noticed?
For me...
And by the way, people are mad at you because it's Japan. So you better get your act together.
Okay. Yeah, these are kanji. I know that.
Well, they're mad at you.
Okay.
You said Korea.
Well, yeah,
you said Korea,
I take all the blame.
You said Korea, which to me was completely out of line. To me.
Yeah. Okay. I take all of it. Is it the little dip here?
Where are you looking? That is that's a weird dip, isn't it? It's like a upside down propane can or something.
Yeah, you have padding on the left, right, and top, but not the bottom. What? Am I getting scolded?
What it is that the word 11, every letter is a capital except for the N.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
The N is lowercase. What the hell is going on there?
Yeah.
Apparently, this is all on purpose.
Okay.
And what happened was, now it has gone through some iterations, and it's amazing how comfortable you can become with something where you're so used to seeing it that it wouldn't even cross your mind. And also just the way the block letter is the same size, your brain doesn't even really register it.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
As being a lowercase n. But anyway, apparently... At one point, the initial proposal was all caps with a capital N.
Okay.
However, I guess it was the wife of the founder who had a little input, thought that it looked too harsh with the capital N. Oh. Too harsh, too aggressive.
Is there another logo for it? With the capital N?
You might be able to look through there if there's any relic. I don't know that they ever used it. So scroll down a little bit. Oh, okay. Scroll down a little bit there. I just want to make sure I have the story correct.
Wow, 55 years.
Peculiarity in the logo. Scroll down further. right here. In response to the, it turns out he wasn't alone in not noticing. One more added. According to 7-Eleven spokesperson, the retailer likely designed its logo with a lowercase n on purpose, believing it looks nicer to the eye. It was reported that the wife of former president Joe C. Thompson, so not founder, former president, thought a capitalized N was too harsh and therefore convinced her husband to swap it out with the lowercase letter for the 1968 redesign. Unsung hero. Not only does it change the appearance and make it softer, it makes it more distinctive. Because no one else is doing that.
Yeah. And
so,
it's personalized.
So there you have it, man. And now you'll never not see it. When you see it, you'll be like lowercase n.
That's fun.
You can see some people try to reimagine the logo over the years, but I don't know that it would have to be before 1968 because that's how long they're saying it had the lowercase. These are redesigns. These are kind of like fan logos, these other ones. Mm-hmm. So, there you go.
There it is. Oh, yeah, it does look pretty harsh.
It looks harsh.
Because it looks so thick.
You know what it looks like? It looks like a gas station all of a sudden instead of a convenience store. To me, I don't know why. So, listen, you never know what you're gonna. You never know what you don't know. Well,
yeah, especially on this show.
You never know what you don't know.
Yeah,
until you know what you know.
Okay.
And you no longer don't know what you know. Well, you don't know what you know, and you don't know what you don't know.
This has been one weird show, I gotta say.
Thank you very much, everybody, for joining here today, and who will never look at 7-Eleven the same way. I think that if the story is true, she improved the design.
For sure.
And probably a
Big
huge portion of the success is because of that one simple decision. And I don't think companies do it often enough. Like, they might be thinking, you're crazy. I can't put one lower. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, for 55 years.
You can do it. And it's been done. And if anyone tells you can't do it, just point to 7-Eleven and be like, you can do it. Now, I want you to just go down a little bit there and click on a little lower. Click that right there. 7-Eleven logo. It looks like, no, the variations. The portrait image in the middle. Up.
This one?
No.
This
left.
One? This one?
There you go.
Okay.
Here we go. It looks like this has some years on it. So they did try to change it.
Yeah.
At one moment there. And you can see there's the capital. 1960 from the beginning, 1927 up until 68, you had the big N, the capital N. It was switched in 68, and then it stuck 68 to 2004, and then it's just slight tweaks up until now. Crazy stuff.
Okay.
Wow. What an old brand. It's wild they've been doing it. And then they had such amazing international success.
Yeah.
Cool.